So it's Wednesday morning. I am probably 2 hours east of Salt Lake City in the National Forest at altitude. Poor trees. But here's my campsite from last night. No fires. And it's not far from the road, but it's a bumpy trail down and there's not much traffic. It was a great night. Full moon. The moon was so bright at one point I woke up. It seemed like a car headlight was going in my tent. Just one car headlight and a motorcycle maybe. So bright, you could see everything. I could have read a book if I wanted. But here, right behind my campsite, my chair and coffee and book. I'm guessing around 9,000 feet elevation. It's cold right now, but not bad. And my neighbors are down there. See the Jeeps? It's going to be a good day. Okay, bye-bye.